members of the Academic Council, esteemed parents, teachers, and my dear students. Today, 11th June, is one of the most significant days in our academic calendar as we have two major events being held today. Inauguration of the brand new multi-purpose hall and celebrating Merit Day when we honor the achievers of CBSE board examination. Having a multi-purpose hall was a long cherished desire which has finally become a reality due to the joint efforts of many. We acknowledge the hard work and dedication of all those involved in bringing this vision to fruition. We place on record the heartfelt gratitude to the management who wholeheartedly backed this project, the architects, the engineers who designed it, to the construction workers who built it, and the countless others who contributed in various capacities. Above all, we acknowledge all of your good wishes and prayers. We are also celebrating the remarkable achievements of our 12th graders. It's indeed a moment of immense pride and joy for all of us. Let's start the function with the blessings of Lord Almighty. May I now invite our Honorary Secretary and Treasurer of our school, Professor Jacob Kurian-Onat, to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests.
Your Holiness, Power Divinity, respected Managing Committee and Governing Board members, Reverend Fathers, parents, members of the staff, and my dearly beloved students. Today is a very unforgettable day in the history of this school. In 2001, His Holiness Basilios Marthoma Matthew II Bava Dirveni of blessed memory founded this school. The school grew by leaps and bounds, and we have all infrastructural facilities here except an auditorium where all the students and the teachers and the parents can sit together. So this has been a large hall had been a crying need of the school for almost 24 years now. And now it is a day of fulfillment. We are having a function under this canopy for the first time. So we are having the inauguration of the multi-purpose auditorium today. We are using this for arranging meetings. Our vehicles, buses, which have been rusting all these years, rusting all these years, they are now safely accommodated under this canopy. So this is a multi-purpose hall. And this has been inaugurated by the blessed hands of Baba Dirumeni just a few minutes ago. The meeting is following. We have one more meeting, one more purpose for this meeting today. Our 12th class passouts. I must say they all passed out in flying colors. We have presented 58 students for the 12th class examination, and 24 have attained more than 80% marks. 90% marks. So this is a brilliant success. Others also, they have also secured excellent marks, and by academic standards, our school is judged well by the local community. This year particularly, admission has been faster and larger numbers. So we are having these two functions today in this blessed afternoon. I am particularly happy because this hall has been named after one of our illustrious patrons, His Holiness Basilius Marthoma Paulus II. All the Catholic courses, starting with Matthew II Baba, have been lavishing great affection and support on this school. Matthew II Baba had a great dream to make this school a model school for the whole church. In close proximity of Kaduliki Taramana, directly supervised by the head of the church, there is a school like this, and all the Baba Dirumenis, Matthew II Baba Dirumeni, Didymus I Baba Dirumeni, Paulus II Baba Dirumeni, and the present patron and manager, His Holiness Matthew III Baba Dirumeni, they have been helping us in a variety of ways. Baba Dirumeni just returned this morning from United Kingdom, and without even sleeping properly, Dirumeni has taken the pains to come over here and inaugurate this meeting. And as I told you, this hall is dedicated to the memory of His Holiness Basilius Marthoma Paulus II Baba Dirumeni. I place on record our sincere gratitude to all who have contributed in different ways to making this project a reality. The governing board extended great support. The Parent Teacher Association, PTA President and his friends, they all wholeheartedly supported us. And I want to clarify one point. We didn't tax the parents in order to make this infrastructural addition. We have already spent 1.2 crores on this project, but we didn't tax the parents, we didn't tax the students. In normal cases, in the schools, they will be collecting funds from parents and students, and from our own limited funds, without troubling parents and their hearts, we have made this beautiful auditorium. In the past years, we generally have our annual day celebrations in the month of December. and there will be occasional showers. Baba, many might remember last year when we had our annual day celebrations, pouring rain came, and Baba and others on the stage, they were safe, so we all sat on the stage, but the parents and the children all, they drew back under cover. So, this is a great dream come true. We will have our future anniversaries without dreading fears. We will no longer sing rain, rain, go away. That's a great achievement on the part of the school, and I once again thank all the people who have lent us a helping hand in realizing this project. I must remember at least 2-3 names. One is the name of our former administrator, Professor Zakaria G. Daniel. Even though he was sick at the time, he did much for making this project a reality. I must mention our principal, Mrs. Nini Abraham, in a special way. It was she, when the administrator became sick, it was she who almost single-handedly went after all the paperwork, all the purchases, all the arrangements in order to make this a great asset for the school. And I must also place on record our sincere appreciation to Sri Sergeant George Kattapana, member of the managing committee, who was instrumental in bringing contractors, making all the supplies in time. All these people greatly helped, and last came our new administrator father, Saji Ogutan. It was under his supervision that the finishing touches were put. I remember all these people, and the workers, and the contractors, and the account staff, all the people who have taken pains to arrange this auditorium come bus shelter in a meticulous way. Baba Nirvani has only a limited time to be with us, so I am turning to my most important task. My task this afternoon is welcoming the guests. Our most important guest today is, of course, His Holiness Baba Nirvani. I told you, His Holiness came flying down from UK only this morning, and without even getting adequate sleep, Nirvani came here to be with us, and on behalf of all of you, we proffer our humble respects to Baba Nirvani and welcome His Holiness to this very important function. The governing board members are here, the PTA representatives are here, the administrator, Father Saji Ogutan, our corporate management secretary, Father Riju, our principal, Mrs. Nini Abraham, our school staff, all the parents, including PTA President Mr. Ajay, all the parents of students who are being honored here today, they are all present here, and since time is very limited, I cannot individually welcome each and everyone. I once again thank all of you for the wholehearted cooperation you have extended, not only for making this dream project a reality, but also for the help, for all sorts of assistance you have been extending to us in running this school. Last but not least, I must remember the students here. Some 58 students are specially being honored here this afternoon. Baba Nirvani will offer their certificates and medals. You have done us proud. It is your day. By brilliantly cleared your examinations. You have honored this institution which trained you. Of course, your teachers, your parents, everybody supported you in your studies. Starting from the menial staff here, everyone has been instrumental in your growth, your development, your attainment of success. And you have made us all proud. I congratulate all the winners and hope and pray that you will come out in more flying colors in your next courses also. May God bless you all. Our other students in smaller classes, they are all vibrantly present here. Well, this year, as I told you, our admissions have improved and many more students will be coming within a few weeks from now. Many inquiries are coming up. Well, my dear students, the school is for you and you are our pride, you are our crown, you are our glory. And may God bless you all abundantly and make you instrumental in taking this school to greater heights. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I humbly request His Holiness Baba Trivedi to speak words of blessings over us.
സ്കൂളിലെ അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേറ്റീവ് പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട സജീവം നിലച്ച് ഓണറബിൾ സെക്രട്ടറി പ്രൊഫസർ ചേർക്കുലിനോടാണ് സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ വൈസ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ അധ്യാപകർ ഗവേണിംഗ് ബോർഡ് മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട വൈദികരെ സഹോദരി സഹോദരങ്ങളെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ കഴിഞ്ഞ ഏതാനും വർഷങ്ങളായി നമ്മൾ ആഗ്രഹിച്ചിരുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യം സഫലമായതിൽ ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരോടൊപ്പം സന്തോഷിക്കുകയാണ്. അനേകം ആളുകളുടെ സഹായവും സഹകരണവുമാണ് ഈ ഓഡിറ്റോറിയം ഇവിടെ പൂർത്തിയാക്കുവാൻ സാധ്യതമായത് എന്നുള്ളത് ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട സെക്രട്ടറിയുടെ എന്നോട് ഓർമ്മിക്കുകയുണ്ടായി. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഈ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ അഭിവൃദ്ധിയിൽ ഒരു പുതിയ നാഴികക്കല്ലിലൂടെയാണ് ഈ ഓഡിറ്റോറിയം എന്നുള്ളത് സന്തോഷിക്കാനുള്ള നൽകുന്നതാണ്. അതിനേക്കാൾ ഉപരി സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ അഭിമാനമായി ഈ വർഷം 100% വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളും 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പാസ്സായി എന്നും 90%-ഓളം 80%-ൽ കൂടുതലായ മാർക്ക് വന്ന് പാസ്സായി എന്നുള്ളതും വളരെ അഭിമാനത്തോടുകൂടിയും നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരെയും അതിനെ അനുമോദിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുക. അതിൽ പ്രധാനമായി അധ്യാപകരെ അനുമോദിക്കേണ്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നു. വളരെ ചിട്ടയോടും നിഷ്ഠയോടുകൂടി അധ്യാപകരുടെ സമർപ്പണ ശുശ്രൂഷ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ പ്രകാരം തയ്യാറാക്കുവാൻ സാധിച്ചത്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ അധ്യാപകരുടെ നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ സ്വീകരിച്ച് വളരെ കഠിനാധ്വാനം ചെയ്ത് പഠിച്ച് വിജയം പ്രാപിച്ച കുട്ടികൾ ഈ സമൂഹത്തിന് പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് മലങ്കര ഓർത്തഡോക്സ് സഭയ്ക്ക് അഭിമാനമാണ് നൽകുന്നത്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരുടെയും പ്രാർത്ഥനയും സഹകരണവും ഉയർച്ചയും ഇതിന് വലിയ മുൻകൂട്ടാണ്. ഇതിനെ സഹായിച്ചതിന് വേണ്ടതായ കരുത്താക്കൾ നൽകിയിട്ടുള്ള ഈ ബസേലിയോസ് സ്കൂൾ ഗവേണിംഗ് ബോർഡ് അംഗങ്ങളെല്ലാവരെയും അവരുടെ എല്ലാ സഹകരണത്തിന് പ്രത്യേകമായ നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുകയാണ്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഇത് ഇത്തരത്തിൽ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്ത് ഭംഗിയായി പണിതീർക്കുവാൻ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ അധ്വാനിക്കുകയും സഹകരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്ത ആണ് നമ്മുടെ സഭയുടെ മാന്യ കമ്മിറ്റി മെമ്പറായിരിക്കുന്ന സാധനമാണ് എന്നുള്ളത് പണിയാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ഏത് എവിടെയെങ്കിലും എത്തിച്ചാലുമാണ് അതിനെ ഏറ്റവും വിശ്വസതയോടും ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് നടത്തുവാനുള്ള കഴിവും താല്പര്യമുണ്ട്. അത് ഭംഗിയായി നിർവഹിച്ചുള്ളത് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരുടെയും കൂട്ടായ ഒരു പ്രവർത്തനം വന്നപ്പോൾ അത് അനേകം ആളുകൾക്ക് സഹായമായി തീർന്നു. ഇനിയും ഈ സ്കൂളിന് അനേക വികസന പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ നടത്താനുണ്ട് നമുക്കറിയാം. ഓരോന്നും അതിൻ്റേതായ മാർഗങ്ങൾ വരുന്നു എന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. പുതിയതായി ഹോസ്റ്റൽ സൗകര്യമൊക്കെ പണിയുവാനായിട്ട് തയ്യാറായിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്നാണ് അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷനെ അറിയിച്ചത്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ മറ്റു പല വികസന പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളും ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് തന്നെ നടത്തണമെന്ന് സഭ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അതിനുള്ള സൗകര്യം നമുക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്ന മുറയ്ക്ക് അത് കൂടെ ആകുമ്പോൾ നിശ്ചയമായും ഈ പ്രദേശം വളരെ അനുഗ്രഹകരമായിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കോംപ്ലക്സ് ആയിട്ട് മാറും എന്നുള്ളതിന് സംശയമില്ല. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള പദ്ധതികളും സഭ ആവിഷ്കരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാം അനുഗ്രഹമായി തീരട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും വാക്കുകൾ വെച്ചു.
Thank you, Baba Trivedi, for your encouraging words of blessings. We now move on to honoring and awarding our grade 12 exam achievers with trophies and certificates. They have shown determination and resilience throughout their academic journey. As we congratulate each one of them, let us also take this moment to acknowledge the support and guidance provided by their teachers. Their dedication, expertise, and willingness to go the extra mile have truly paid off. I am sure you agree that our teachers truly deserve resounding appreciation. Let us give them a big round of applause. Present our achievers with trophies and certificates. As I call out your names, you may come up on the stage and collect your trophies and certificates. Boy, 96.20%. He secured A1 in all subjects and he is a subject topper in chemistry and physics. Ron John Kurian secured 95.40%. He secured A1 in all subjects and a subject topper in mathematics. Anuja Sara Matthew, 95.20% and subject topper in English. Nika Elizabeth Georgie secured 95% and subject topper in psychology and legal studies. She also secured 100 and 100 in psychology. Rubina Susan Vino, 93.40% and 100 and 100 in psychology. Thomas, 93%, and she's a subject topper in informatics practices. 90.40% subject topper in business studies. Arul Lamberg is 91% subject topper in English. Megha and Rajesh secured 91%. Teresa Matthew 90.40%. Maria Elizabeth Lightly secured 90%. Pia Sijo secured 90% and she's a subject topper in physical education. Abigail Biju. Ganesh Chandran. Padra Deepa, she's also the subject topper in biology. Akul M. Majid. Emil Kuriakos Kirill. Nina Bridget. Anka Elsa Vergis. Grace Sergeant Joseph. Karthik K. Viju. Leo Vino Alex. Gauri Lachit. Aditya K. Kodwar. Ansha S. Karen Susan Cherry. Joseph C. Jacob. Amelia Reggie. Elizabeth Horton, she's a subject topper in English. Luke Katapuram. Niranjan P. Nayak. Prem Arun Chand. Tarun Sanal. Teresa Maria Sebastian. Ria Bijoy. Sneha Susan Jayesh. Tisha Ezra Shajid. Karen Jameen George. Abdullah S. Arpit S. Murali. Thank you, Baba Kamini. Dear, the new chapter chapter in your life, remember that this is just the beginning. Your achievements today are a testament to your potential. As you embark on this new phase of your lives, may you continue to strive for excellence and make a positive impact on the world around you. Congratulations once again. Your achievements fill our hearts with pride. We wish you all success and happiness. May I now call upon our Administrator, Reverend Father Saji Yamuna, to share closing remarks and express words of gratitude.
Most respected Your Holiness, distinguished guests, parents, students and staff members. It's indeed a great occasion for the Basilian family to gather together for the inauguration of the multipurpose hall dedicated in the sacred memory of His Holiness Basilius Marthoma Paulus II, the former manager of Basilius Public School, and Marinate felicitating class 12 students who brought laurels to our school with marvelous results in CBSE examination. This day is blessed with the emanating presence of His Holiness Basilius Marthoma Matthews III, the Catholicos Malcolm Metropolitan and manager of the school. Your Holiness, we are so lucky that your presence is with us during the very first month of this new academic session. It was a long-cherished dream for our school to have a place for common gathering as well as for various other activities of our students. We are thankful to Your Holiness for making the dream a reality today and also for granting approximately ₹1.2 crores for the construction of this hall. The school community is grateful to Your Holiness for felicitating and blessing our outgoing batch of class 12 students with awards and certificates. On behalf of students, parents and staff members of Himar Basilius Public School, I offer my love, gratitude and heartfelt thanks to Your Holiness for grace.